Hi guys, this video is regarding the Nissan Magnite fraud which is happening all around in Delhi and in the other states. Before wasting any more time here, let me just directly share the clip with you so that you have a better understanding of what kind of a fraud is going on in Nissan. And I have raised a complaint regarding Nissan Magnite sales delivery a couple of times. I mean, not even couple of, more than couple of times, and it's been pending from the last month now. I had a call with you guys yesterday as well, and I was supposed to receive a response within 24 hours, but that is still not the case. I have called you just a while ago after waiting for 40 odd minutes, and you guys have disconnected the call again without even listening to me. So, is this the kind of a response I am expecting from Nissan?
Sorry, sir, we apologize for the. I will help you, sir.
So that's why I'm recording all this stuff from the last 6 days. I had 5 calls and all these recorded at my end. The last one I did not record. That's why I'm recording this one again. Because this is the kind of a response I am going to post on every other media nowadays. Because
So you booked your car, Nissan SUV Magnite.
so booked Nissan Magnite on 20th of December. Supposed to receive the delivery within February. Now the dealer is saying May, which I cannot afford at any cost. I really need to have the delivery within February. I could wait for 2 more weeks, that is by 28th of February, but not beyond that because there is a wedding going to happen in the early part of March in my home, and I have already promised to deliver the vehicle or gift the vehicle to other party, and this is not going to be any sort of a entertainable, and you have a promise to doing the delivery within 6 to 8 weeks, and it's already been more than 7 weeks.
So did you receive any PDF
No,
or an email
nothing.
from the
I
dealership?
did not receive anything. My complaint is being raised with Ms. Chandra yesterday. Couple of days ago, and yesterday I called again, and you guys have noted my complaint again, and supposed to receive the call from you guys within 24 hours, and it's more than 24 hours now.
Yes,
I'll
sir.
emphasize that thing again and again that I need to have a call within 24 hours, but still you guys are not even entertaining this kind of a stuff.
Yes, sir. Sir, as per you, you are telling me that dealership is saying you that they will deliver your car in the month of May, right, sir?
They said we will try, but that try thing cannot be accepted at my end because I have really how would I put this? I have some things which I cannot delay at any cost. If I really need to have the vehicle
Surely, sir.
within this month, that I really need to have, because my requirements are something different as compared to the other individuals.
So due to low production, so the company is not delivering cars to the dealership. So you can get your car in the month of May only.
Sir, why?
Before May, you can't.
See. What I'm saying. See. Listen, I have seen people.
Yes,
I have
sir.
the videos, and I can post it, and I can share it with you. I have seen that people who have booked the vehicle in the month of January, they are getting their vehicle in the month of January itself. They got the vehicle within 20 and a half days. I have 2 instances like this, and it is not. See, first of all, don't give me these kind of rubbish reasons that companies producing less and these kind of things. You have got more than 40% of the bookings for XE variant. If you exclude that XE variant, which I can understand that it will take time, if you can exclude that variant, your bookings are not even more than 55%. And if you are not able to deliver those vehicles, you guys are not delivering XE variant. That is, everybody knows nowadays. But now your method of not delivering the vehicle has led to XL variant as well. You guys are only delivering XE premium. So if you guys don't even intend to deliver the other vehicle, just remove those things, na? And you promised us to deliver the vehicle within 6 to 8 weeks. How can it lead to 20 weeks? It means at the back channel, people are getting the backdoor entry and getting the vehicles. Why? Why I'm recording all this stuff? Because this is very important. And I just don't know why I need to keep repeating these kind of things over a call and again and again. Why? You guys again and again say these things to me that company is producing less. How this thing can be digestible to the customer? If you don't have an intention of producing the vehicle of XE XL variant, then why have you opened this thing in the month of December itself. You could even say that we are not going to produce these vehicles. We are only going to produce XV premiums. And why have created a buzz in the market and creating a fraud-like situation? Everybody thinks that they are being looted by Nissan. Everybody thinks now.
So, can I hold you? Call you on hold for
Yes,
1
you
minute?
can hold. You can hold, and I'm sure you might get the call disconnected as well. So just make sure this.
No, sir.
So this happened. I've waited for 40 odd minutes just to have a word with you guys. So you can
I will
understand
connect
it's
to our
12:15.
Hattie.
It's 12:15, and I'm calling you guys from the last 10:50, right from 10:50 in the morning. So
So,
make sure it
we
won't
apologize
get
for this.
disconnected.
Surely, sir. Call will not be disconnected.
The person